Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best action cameras in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is GoPro Hero 7 Black Waterproof Action Camera. It is a known fact that GoPro is the market leader and pioneer in the action cameras market. What many people do not know is that GoPro as a company has been running on an annual loss lately. One of the reasons behind this slow demise can be attributed to competition and the availability of cheap and reliable substitutes. However, this does not imply that GoPro's game has weakened in the action camera space. They still produce the best action camera that you can buy in terms of features and performance, the GoPro Hero 7 Black. The Hero 7 Black has a retro design, and the build and feel of this action camera are surprisingly good thanks to the rubberized finish. Unlike previous versions, this version of the GoPro Black series actually comes in black color. There are 2 displays on the Hero 7 Black, one is on the front and the other on the back. This allows for better usability in whatever mode you are operating the camera on. Even though the company is facing decline, they are moving in the right direction. The asking price for this product is much lesser than their previous flagship action cameras, and they are innovating at a really fast pace. The GoPro Hero 7 should be the weapon of choice for professional athletes and prosumers. Number 2. Our second best pick is Olympus TG5 Waterproof Camera. The tough lineup from Olympus is particularly known for its endurance-focused products, and the TG tracker is no slouch either. It is often referred to as the toughest action camera that you can buy. However, this does not mean that this camera is a slouch in any other department such as performance or ergonomics. The design of the Olympus Tough TG tracker is iconic with its green and/or black accents and large metal screws exuding confidence. The feel in the hand is reassuring thanks to its hefty weight of 180 grams, and the flip-out screen enables this small action camera to be ergonomic. Unlike most other action cameras, the lens is out on the smaller lateral side, giving it a camcorder-like feel. For the average consumer, the high asking price of the Olympus Tough TG tracker might be a big turn-off. However, if you are interested in buying an action camera that will last you a long time and are willing to pay for advanced features, then this is your best bet. This camera provides quite comparable quality to its GoPro counterpart with added endurance features. Number 3. Our third best pick is Garmin VIRB Ultra 30 Action Camera. Garmin is one of the most popular brands associated with the outdoor sporting market. They manufacture all sorts of tech related to this market, and it is no surprise that they decided to manufacture an action camera. The VIRB Ultra 30 succeeds their successful model, VIRB XE. This action camera is designed elegantly. The red and black accents give its exterior a character, and the form factor is thoughtfully replicating the GoPro Hero. With the waterproof case, the form factor does increase quite a bit, but even with this obstruction you can touch the screen and control the settings. For the outdoor enthusiasts and athletes already invested deeply into the Garmin ecosystem, this is a decent camera that ticks most of the boxes. However, for the ordinary consumer that wants the maximum value for their investment, this is not such a desirable option. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Sony FDR-X3000W Underwater Camcorder. Sony has managed to do what it is best at again with the FDR-X3000, putting as much value as they can in a small package. Despite the unflattering naming that goes with some of the Sony camcorders, this camera has managed to gain attention thanks to its performance and sheer number of features. The design of the FDR-X3000 is minimalist, with a few physical tough buttons, and like the Olympus Tough TG tracker, the inclusion of lens at the smaller lateral side. When I write physical buttons, I do mean to imply that it lacks a touchscreen and a viewfinder. For many, this might be a deal-breaker, but a large number of vloggers and athletes recognize that when shooting in wide-angle, positioning your shots is not a big headache. The Sony FDR-X3000 is loaded with features that will help take your video game to the next level. However, lack of a viewfinder is a huge deal-breaker for many people. You can either use your smartphone or a separately sold watch to function as a viewfinder, but that defeats the user experience. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is SJCAM SJ7 Star Waterproof Sports Action Camera. As the name would suggest, SJCAM is a Chinese brand that manufactures optics. This action camera excels in one particular area above all, delivering value. For the price that you are paying, this action camera is the undisputed king of value. The design is nothing to boast about. The bland design choices do little to interest the target audience. The build quality, however, is excellent. The frame is made out of metal and has rubberized plastic on the front and the back. On top of all this, the action camera is exceptionally light at approximately 74 grams. For the people who want most of the GoPro experience but do not have the means to afford one, the SJCAM SJ7 Star is the best camera that they can buy. It is packed full of features and accessories, and despite the drop in quality, it produces a good result. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.